Are you a fan of birds? Do you like to watch them? Do you like to own them? Do you like to just see them out in the wild? Well, then you probably might have heard of this thing called Bird Buddy. Bird Buddy is a bird feeder that you keep in your backyard, front yard, just around your property in general. And it comes with a little camera that connects to your Wi-Fi, and it allows you to see birds when they come to eat food. It is an incredibly nice and calming addition to your yard, as well as a great way for bird watchers to get to see what birds are in their community. On top of that, the device does have an app that has an amazing network where you can share your bird feed, get it, with other people who love birds, or you can even make it globally available for all Bird Buddy users to see birds across the US or other countries. It's a really cool device, and they have more plans going forward. But it's a really cool device. They have more things coming out down the way. For instance, they're also planning a hummingbird feeder, which you can see here, which has a little bit different of a base that works also with the camera. There's also a ground feeder for birds that specifically only eat low to the ground. And they even have designed a new way to prevent squirrels from getting to it with a nice little buffer that basically prevents them from going up to the feeder. So if you do need something like that to prevent it, if you're on the anti-squirrel front, then that is available. But I think the best thing about this one is the bird feed. If you're really into watching birds, then that's a great addition to your tools for the feature. Well, we love them at CES. Hopefully you'll love them too, and we'll see you guys next time.